Hey guys, welcome to Modeling Insanity TV. I'm Rob Adams, and today we're going to be taking a quick tour of my local hobby shop, Avalon Hobbies. Here we are at Avalon Hobbies, the smallest, biggest hobby shop in Medicine Hat, well, actually in Alberta, actually in Canada. Let's call it that. This is the owner, Aaron Perini. How are you, sir?
Good, yeah.
Pleasure. Let's take a look at the front window. I've actually gotten some good deals out of this front window because things get faded by the sun. And Aaron loves me. It's hard to see so much in there, but anyways, thanks for a tour, Aaron.
Good. Go on.
Here we go. There's always something important on this door when we've done these videos, right? Last time it was COVID.
Yep.
Here we go.
No, I should hide.
Oh, you.
Oh, God.
What are you doing here?
None of your business.
Okay. Good. Thank you. Aaron, what section do we have here?
Well, it's everything now. Some radio-controlled aircraft, sci-fi stuff, Pokemon trains, wooden kits, Fast and Furious, diecast.
Yeah, the diecast used to be all in the back. Oh, we got RoboCop there.
Yeah.
Should probably get him to go with. I bought the Ed 209 here, not that one.
Well, then you need that.
Then I need that. You're right. Never mind, or I'll charge you gas money next time you come to a show with me.
I'll pay.
The Honda.
Speaking of that, they're coming up soon.
Oh, Suzuki.
It's a Hayabusa, man.
Oh, the last one I saw.
Diecast.
The Hayabusas, I don't remember being like that. It's, bulky around the front, and everyone I see has got like a 4-foot rear swing arm.
All the train stuff.
Gatling gun much or what?
No, you seen those guys
No.
do them for drag racing? So they got these really big swing arm on the back.
Check out the tires?
That sticks out. What?
Actually, lettered the tires. Colored them.
Static grass,
No,
ballast.
that's paint.
All your good stuff.
That's
Were they raised white letter or raised letters?
No, they were actually cupped
Then you
in.
get into the rocker stuff.
So you get a little bit of ball on your thing and touch it, and it flows in there.
Nice.
Kind of nice.
Better than freehand.
Oh, well, it was freehand.
I meant like
Ish, but
no
yeah,
no
yeah.
marking to go with. That's
Hey. There's what you don't see on bikes.
Ooh. Nice.
goes with the goat guns.
Al's favorite. And he's going to be in the video whether he likes it or not. He doesn't have to talk though.
You don't have soft hands anymore.
This is all Al's handiwork when he gets bored.
This is why I'm not allowed in public, right?
Yeah, no, I didn't.
When you have a small
took it apart, so.
space, you gotta get creative with where you put your tools. Magnets, T-bars.
No, I got blues.
So, what's new, buddy?
Good blues.
It's Thomas Duck. Rob, duck.
We have a duck. Here's a little display case that is greeting you at the front of the door. I'm not sure whose all handiwork is in here.
Many people.
I've offered to bring my models in here and they're like, nah, we don't got no room. So,
He used to.
Just because you make everybody jealous.
Unreal, like blows people.
and we got more
Like,
RC stuff
out of the
here.
water. I'm like, I couldn't believe it. That's right. Yeah,
It's okay, it's not mine.
There's a guy years ago had a bike sitting on the counter. He picked it up, looked at it, and dropped it. What? Yeah. Oh.
As you can see, this place is stacked.
Wall to wall fun around these parts.
It is.
He's like, look, what was doing? What's doing? What difference is
I'm telling you, even at the hobby shops in Calgary, this place has more to offer. You just got to know where to look. For all you RC guys, it's just full.
What's that?
These for sure.
RC.
Wasn't that one? Kinda missing some teeth.
This is where he kind of stashes all the larger scale aircraft.
The motor transmission.
And we're back into more RC. Apparently it's a lot more popular than I realized around here because the selection here is huge.
Yeah, no, I don't know. I got no gun. Thought I was going
Doing it
to
anyway.
Wow.
Yeah, because they're trying to
Scratch
do
building
the
stuff.
There have been people who've done replicas of the car since that were
Rocket
that were
motors.
sort of like a plum brown.
It didn't turn out.
Looks in the picture.
Yes.
Here's our tools.
Kind of straight with it.
No, I put that up.
But I thought it was like kind of hey, what you're doing made the car from the movie. That's good.
No,
Was it thread or wire?
They always get all the nice space stuff in too.
I always take the wire and
More, I see.
like in along the valve covers and everything. Just sort of
Yeah,
has look like it's got weight to it.
I was kind of mad at this one because it didn't.
And then if you're into really big stuff,
Yeah, everybody's their own.
they have that too.
Well, it really didn't turn out. It really didn't.
That's fine. So minimum it's you on the phone or a 2-foot car.
Oh well.
You want aftermarket? Carry that too.
Happy with my Liberty Walk.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's good.
That.
Something new that you guys. When did you guys start carrying the goat guns, Al?
I just ripped it off and did my own.
A couple weeks ago.
Oh, very new then. All right.
Right.
Yeah, that's all.
Already sold enough that they sent me a free display drive.
Oh, nice.
Right.
It's just like, oh, that's a cool choice to make. I was like, that's a cool choice. That's the pieces I can pull off.
All right. Now we're moving into. Oh, wait. There's the other tool rack.
Kind of going. I'm like,
Primers,
you know,
thinners,
set that up,
cleaners.
do around it.
Yeah.
Actually, yeah,
It wasn't what I was watching on the rock.
it actually turned out.
And he was saying that
Tape.
it's not so much a
Sanding
design
sticks.
choice, but it saves an hour.
I showed you that one because I didn't care for the color. I think so. Yeah. Camaro.
Model Master. Get them while you can. Mission Models paints.
Forever ago, beautiful dark metallic blue.
Oh yeah.
But then I'm looking, I don't know what color to paint anything else on it, so it's just got
Proper hobby paint,
No, that's
not Krylon. Now we're into kind of the Gundam section, and then it translates into the cars.
Oh yeah.
And seeing one in person, realized it's such more of a real
Perfect
orange
grades?
color.
Yes, please.
My Corvette.
Oh, that's good.
That turned out nice. Actually.
Did you leave a bunch of benches on?
No.
I thought the whole back end was like solid metal.
More perfect grades.
No, that's all of them. I screwed up on plates.
These guys are awesome at bringing in all the latest shit.
Oh,
It's like they were trying to hide the car.
There you go, Stuart Clark. That's a mega size unicorn.
that's just no. And then of course my bike, which is
More Bandai.
Yeah. It's. I took that one to the show, and it broke on me at the show, so I put it back together thanks to Rob.
Yep. Always bring blue.
And yeah, no, it just the chain snapped, and because it's all one with the back tire, right? Which is good. Because my other ones, yeah, because my other ones weren't.
Oh, oops. More perfect grades.
Yeah, your mom thought that was diecast.
Oh, my car is.
That's the Ford GT.
Go build a fucking model.
Worked out nice.
We got lots.
No, huge pain in the ass, 'cause you had to
Now we're into
paint
cars.
Front and back, different colors.
My Bel Air. No, that's not a Bel Air. That's the '57 Chevy. See, my doors didn't suck.
And it goes all the way up.
About that, 'cause you said that you did one.
You gotta be careful you don't bump into stuff. Here we got our evergreen rack. Fully stocked. And then more cars. Here's where you'll find the Tamiya, Hasegawa, Yoshima. For all you car guys. No lack of subjects here. You can see why it's easy to get lost in this place and spend easily an hour or two just trying to get inspired. More cars.
No, well, unfortunately, I didn't keep my side picture because I two-toned it. But yeah, that went straight across. Real cars. Straight across to the box. In line with the box or whatever. So just basically the cab is silver. Yeah. So. Yeah.
It's not even on. Another display case in the back here. Again, don't know whose work is all in here, but there's lots of cool stuff. It's just kind of getting taken over by the amount of stock in here. Some cool figures. This place has been around since 1997. And it's the only remaining hobby store in Medicine Hat. It's the oldest and the only one left. All right, so now that everybody's out of the armor section, we can go over there. Here we got paint. More kits. So here's all your all-clads, Tamiya enamels, testers. You'll notice there's no Rust-Oleum, Krylon, or Bear paint to be seen here. Tamiya shelf's getting a little empty. Welcome to Canada. Got all our Mr. products. Ammo paints. Pigments. Full rack of Tamiya. All the different panel liner colors. Here you get into like the figure painting sets, wet palettes, washes, markers, pencils. Here we are into the rigs, heavy equipment kind of stuff. Alright, it's a little narrow, so it'll be hard to get everything in, but here's where we got a mix of aircraft and armor. It really doesn't matter what it is that grabs your fancy, you're probably going to be able to find it here.
It's okay, but it's kind of boring.
Well, right? Like I kind of figured if you're gonna do the gunmetal, leave it chrome, because then you've got the punch and everything else, right?
The car that black wheel, looks like parts of the spokes.
Yeah.
So kind of angry shape.
Yeah.
Those are all. So
Built that one.
again, that's on a silver car.
Hey Al.
Right? But yeah. So I'm gonna have to. Well, I'll do it with that.
I think you should build this one next. Yeah, you.
Yeah, it's got tracks.
That's okay.
I hate tracks.
Right? Sure. Well, yeah, because like I said, I think it's gonna be too much of a. What's that? That's smoke.
All right, so there you go, guys. That is my tour of the biggest, littlest hobby shop around. If this place interests you, all of the details about Avalon Hobbies can be found in the description below. Please like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. You can hear me and my fellow co-hosts on the Modeling Insanity podcast. You can hear us on Apple, Spotify, and Amazon, as well as other podcast hosting sites. I appreciate you watching the video. And keep an eye out for full builds, tutorials, and other content coming soon.